What if your IT tools could finally understand you like a colleague, answering questions in plain language while working seamlessly with your human team? Cisco's AI Canvas aims to make this vision a reality. But here's where it gets controversial. It's not just another dashboard. This bold new platform is designed to tear down the fragmented walls of SaaS and AIOps, replacing static screens with a dynamic AI-powered workspace. And this is the part most people miss. The real magic lies not in the AI itself, but in how it learns from you, the user, and adapts in real time. Ready to rethink how IT teams collaborate with machines? Let's dive in. Cisco's AI Canvas isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of how humans and AI agents interact. For years, IT teams have juggled dozens of SaaS dashboards, each a silo of data with its own quirks. Imagine a world where you don't need to switch between 10 different screens to troubleshoot a network issue or check security logs. That's the promise of AI Canvas, a unified, open ecosystem where questions in natural language trigger automated actions across systems. But here's the twist. It doesn't rely on a single central dashboard. Instead, it uses a distributed architecture with MCP, model-driven, policy-defined servers for each domain, and an agentic orchestration layer that routes queries directly to the right tools. This approach isn't just clever, it's a direct response to the chaos of modern IT environments. Let's rewind for a moment. Over the past 2 decades, SaaS has become the backbone of enterprise software. But here's the problem. Every SaaS tool comes with its own dashboard. A NetOps engineer might need to check 4 different interfaces to diagnose a connectivity issue. A SecOps specialist could spend hours switching between platforms to track threats. Raghavan, Cisco's VP of AI products, calls this the SaaS way, but it's a broken way. The solution? Stop building more dashboards and start building systems that understand the questions you're asking. AI Canvas learns from every interaction, including feedback from humans, to refine its responses. This is a game changer for organizations drowning in data silos. What's driving this shift? 2 big trends. First, employees are increasingly using natural language to interact with tools, typing or speaking questions instead of navigating menus. Second, enterprises want more control over their data. They don't want to ship everything to the cloud. AI Canvas respects this by decentralizing data processing. Instead of a monolithic data lake, it uses MCP servers to handle domain-specific tasks locally. Need to troubleshoot a WebEx login issue? Meraki and Thousand Eyes MCP servers spring into action, and the results are displayed dynamically in AI Canvas. The dashboard you see isn't static. It's built on the fly, tailored to the exact problem at hand. But here's where the controversy kicks in. Does AI Canvas truly solve the dashboard dilemma? Or is it just another shiny interface with the same old limitations? Raghavan argues that existing solutions like ServiceNow's centralized dashboards fail because they're too rigid. When troubleshooting, you rarely need the first answer you get. You need the 3rd or 4th layer of insights. Static dashboards can't keep up. AI Canvas, by contrast, uses autonomous AI agents that don't just execute predefined workflows. They reason through problems, adjusting their approach as they learn. This is AgenticOps in action, the next evolution of AIOps, where AI isn't just reacting to alerts, but proactively solving issues. How does this work under the hood? At its core, AI Canvas relies on the deep network model, a Cisco-developed AI trained specifically for network environments. This model gives agents the ability to analyze telemetry data and predict potential issues before they escalate. But here's the catch. If agents make a mistake, how do you fix it? Cisco built in a safety net, reasoning traces that let you review an agent's decision-making process and backtrack if needed. These traces are stored in Splunk, using minimal storage, comparable to firewall logs, so there's no need to worry about sky-high costs. The real test of AI Canvas, though, is its openness. By using MCP as a universal connector, Cisco is betting on a multi-vendor future. Any system with an MCP server, whether it's Meraki, Thousand Eyes, or a third-party tool, can integrate seamlessly. This is a big deal. As Raghavan notes, the more MCP servers exist, the more powerful AI Canvas becomes. And with Anthropic recently making MCP open source, the ecosystem is already growing. But will vendors actually adopt it? That's the $64,000 question. If customers demand MCP compatibility, suppliers will have no choice but to comply. Open systems win when they're useful, not just technically sound. So where does this leave us? Cisco's AI Canvas is more than a prototype. It's a priority. The alpha version is set for release by September 2023, and the company is pushing hard to get AI pods, smaller, localized AI models, into customer data centers. This isn't just about innovation. It's about control. Enterprises can keep their data on premises or air-gapped, while still benefiting from AI-driven insights. But here's the final thought to chew on. If AI Canvas succeeds, will it mark the end of the dashboard era? Or is it just another step in the endless cycle of tech hype? We'll be watching closely, and we want to hear your take. Do you think this will finally fix the dashboard problem, or is Cisco chasing a mirage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.